is Pap again, and welcome to the 4th episode of Meme Mondays. Today's episode is about a baby eating a camera. Now, to be real, this is not the strangest thing I've covered.
So, this is the baby. This is the baby that ate the camera, ladies and gentlemen.
So where did this clip of a baby eating a camera come from exactly? Well, I have the answer. This video right here is Baby vs. GoPro by Heyman, which is the original source of baby eating camera. Okay, so I have a few questions about this video. 1. Who is the baby? 2. Who owns the baby? 3. Did the baby actually eat the GoPro? Well, I was looking at Jack's YouTube channel, and I found this video called Rue's Storytime, featuring, I assume, the same baby as in Baby vs. GoPro, so I am assuming the baby's name is Rue. Alright, so who owns Rue? So I'm assuming Jack owns Rue, seeing that the baby is part of his YouTube channel, so I think Jack is the owner. Now, did the baby eat the GoPro? Honestly, I don't think so, because I don't think that would be humanly possible for a baby to eat a GoPro. And then a bunch of people started editing this baby, and yeah, that's where we're at today.
Yeah, he got me before you.
Anyways, thank you guys for watching another episode of Meme Mondays, and until next time, goodbye.